Aileen, happy birthday. Miraflor ni, nag-greet ni mo. Nagpasalamat yun ko. Kasi nga, ikaw, ako ang cousin. Kung kay ikaw, buutan. Dayon. Always bringing good vibes. Wala yun, libog. Always happy. Real nice person. Nice to be with always. Enjoy your big day, and I hope na naa ka permi good health, happy ka permi, daghan pa ka mga enjoyable birthdays to come. God bless, and I love you to the moon and back.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marley. Happy birthday, Auntie Marley. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Auntie Marley. I love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Ate Marlene!
Happy birthday, Ate Marlene. God bless and more birthdays to come.
Hello Ante, happy 60th birthday. This is my message for you. As you embark on these milestone years, you're embracing a new chapter in the grand adventure of life. Your journey has been filled with countless experiences, memories, and lessons. And now, as you turn the page to this new chapter, the best is yet to come. Embrace this moment as a new beginning, an opportunity to explore uncharted territories, forge new friendships, and dive into passion yet undiscovered. Age is just a number, and it's never too late to learn, to grow, and to pursue your dreams with unwavering determination. Surround yourself with positivity and inspiration, for they are the fuel that will propel you forward on this journey. May you plant seeds of purpose, love, and gratitude in everything you do, nurturing them until they blossom into a magnificent tree of fulfillment. In the face of difficulties and negativity, may you stand tall and resilient, finding strength in every challenge you encountered. Keep smiling, keep laughing, and let the melody of your heart guide you towards your deepest desires. May your dreams speak to you loudly and clearly, and may you have the courage to pursue them relentlessly. And when those dreams come true, as they surely will, cherish every moment, savoring the sweetness of success and the joy of fulfillment. As each new day dawns, may you celebrate the beauty of life, revealing in the promise of the future filled with endless possibilities. Here's to your wonderful journey, to the memories yet to be made, and to the incredible person you are. Happy 60th birthday with love and warm wishes for many more amazing adventures ahead. Happy birthday!
Happiest birthday to Auntie Merlin. May you have more birthdays. Cheers. Pasensya na. Dami maka diha sa itong special day. Bawi rami pohon. Makauli rami. Magbakasyon. Magbanding sa mga tao. Happy birthday, Auntie. May you have more birthdays to come, and God bless.
Hi Auntie Marlene, happy birthday and more birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and more blessings to come, and God bless always. And kumusta nga pala sa mga auntie ko dyan? Auntie Josephine, Auntie Susit, kumusta kayo? Auntie Vivian, ingat kayo lagi dyan. And si Che, kumusta? And sana makakabakasyon din ako minsan dyan sa Inubulan. Miss you all. Thank you. Enjoy your celebration, Ante.
Hello Len, happy birthday. Wishing you many more candles to blow. I wish to your life a million magic to you. Your life happy to you and a good one. Congratulations for another spin around the sun. Sending congratulations and laughter, a joy to your way. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Manang Marlene. Grabe, 60 na di art ka. You look like 40. O, diba? Happy birthday sa inyo, ha? Wishing you all good health and enjoy na gid ang life karon kay 60 na. Galavanting ka na lang manang laag-laag na lang. Hopefully I shall see you soon next year. Hoping na moabot ka sa reunion, magkita-kita tapuhan kaloyan. Sige lang kay bisag mga advance ng atong mga age, mga gwapa man lang gyapon, mga kaliwat ni sa ring ug ni sa tor, mga tamsi, mga gwapa na tamsi pa. Happy birthday, happy birthday Manang Marlene. Love you, miss you. Bye-bye.
Marlene, happy birthday. Wish you good health and more birthdays to celebrate with the family, with the relatives. Thank you nga nakaabot ko sa imong birthday. Alam na. Oh, thank you sa love and kindness nimo. Thank you with all my heart. I love you so much. Happy birthday. God bless you. Bye.
Hi to Marlene, may adlaw. Happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Dugay na kita nagkita pero hinaot unta, okay na ka. Amping yaton may
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday,
Auntie
Auntie Marlene. Among wish for you is that may God bless you with good health and long, happy life. Ingat lagi. Love you.
Hello Marlene.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Birthday.
May you have more litson to come.
God bless.
On your birthday.
Enjoy and cheers.
Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Auntie Marlene. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Tagan ka sa Ginoo og mayong lawas. Unta, moswag ka sa imong mga pangandos kinabuhi. O kami nga imong mga pagumangkon, milipayon kay mi sa imong birthday. Karong adlawa. And happy 16th birthday. Auntie Marlene. God bless you.
Lynn, 60. You're just getting started. Now you're officially eligible for the 20% discount and the bragging rights. Lynn, as you celebrate your birthday today, my wish for you is that may the good Lord bless you with good health, peace of mind, protection, many more birthdays to come, more adventures or travels to come, and I may not be there physically, but my thoughts and prayers are always with you. Happy birthday. Cheers to Fabulous 60. Love you, Lynn.
Happy birthday to my wonderful sister-in-law, Ate Marie. Your kindness, strength, and laughter light up our lives. May this milestone year be filled with joy, love, and unforgettable moments. You are not just a family, but a true friend who inspires us all. Here's to celebrating you today and always. May this year ahead be filled with happiness you deserve. Enjoy your special day. Happy 60th birthday. Cheers!
Lynn, happy birthday! Yung ating batch, 60 years? Kumusta nga ka din, Lynn? Pinapanta nga, nagas ko yung bulawas, pinigin mo nga itong pagka amigo, hanggang sa hantod. Ayaw kalimting, ako pinaspuhan. Sa imong mga batch, labi na yun ako. Hindi naman po sa talagang ito mga kabanyan ang imong ibalang pagdalag sa mga hantod sa hantod. Happy birthday, Lynn!
Go.
Hello, Lynn! Happy 60th birthday! May your days of your birthday will become happiest. Kaya happiest din ba nga? Di kay happy lang, but happiest moment of your birthday. Why? You belong na to the new chapter of your life. You know, chapter 60th is the level of welcoming for the nearest home. What do you mean by nearest home? Doon na ta sa kanaganing puloy-anan nga dayon. No? So, thank you kaayo, Lynn, nga naamta ka magkitaan na ita panahon sa inyong birthday. Dili mo bisita ko nimo. Okay. Atong i-continue ang atong panag-uban. Happiest birthday, Lynn. Thank you.